Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really simple home decor items. First we're going to start with this yarn art. I used some coffee stirrers to make a frame. Next I used a plastic ring off of a water bottle and looped yarn all the way around it. I then laid the yarn over the frame and started hot gluing it down. Then I trimmed off all the excess and it was done. Next I took some watercolor paper and folded it in half 2 times and taped it to the paper. Then I just dropped different paints onto the paper. I tried to blow dry it to get kind of a cool effect, but it wasn't working, so I ended up taking a piece of cardstock and just swiping one time. And then I framed it with popsicle sticks. Next I took a jumbo popsicle stick and cut 2 pieces the same size. Then I took some coffee stirrers and glued them on to make a little design. I then painted them both brown. Then I took 2 little glass jars, put some greenery in them, and hot glued them on. Next I started on a lantern. I took coffee stirrers and cut 8 down to 2.5 inches and then 8 down to 1 inch. Next I glued them all together. Next I measured it on a piece of wood and cut that out for the bottom. Then I painted it gold. Then I took some hot glue sticks and cut them to make candles. I melted the tops a little bit and then stuck a little piece of black thread in there. Then I went back and added drips down the side of the candles. Next I took this empty thread spool and painted it gold. I took one of these round sticks off of these little chalkboard signs, cut it down and painted it gold as well. Then I took some paper clips and shaped them around a bottle of paint to make circles and glued them in place. Then I took this paper and cut out a lampshade shape and started gluing the bigger circle onto the bottom. Then I glued the smaller circle in place. I then took another paper clip and straightened it out and glued it to the top to hold the little light. I glued the round dowel into the spool. And then I ended up adding another paper clip on the bottom of the lampshade in order to attach it to the dowel. Next, I took a mirror out of a little compact, flipped it over and glued toothpicks all around the back. After this was done, I then went in, cut the toothpicks in half, and glued them between every one. I threw together a quick room just to show off the home decor items. I ended up bringing in a couple of pieces that I had already built. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.